Can you show us a little bit like what's happening behind the scenes now?
So behind the scenes, when you ask Codex to do something, it starts exploring your code base and running commands, and you can see its progression as it's going along. First, it's reading code, and then when it decides to run commands, it runs in a safe sandbox that ensures that it's not going to modify files outside of your project. And if the model ever needs to do something that it thinks it can't run successfully in the sandbox, it can ask you for permission. It explored the code base, it updated the button, and then it made a bunch of changes at the end. You can then review the changes right in your IDE to see all of the changes it made in one place.
Yep.
But I think we should just go see if it worked.
Let's do it. Moment of truth.
Hop over to the browser, and I'm going to hover over these buttons. And as you can see, there's a nice subtle hover state where the shadow expands, the card shifts up a little bit. I was looking around the site, and I noticed that there's a few other elements that also don't have a hover state. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this conversation we just had, and I'm going to move it from local into the cloud. And this is going to use Codex in the cloud to continue this task without taking over my computer.
I think it's like completely changing the way we think about engineering, right? Because you can start like a task locally, offload it to your teammate in the cloud to just take care of it. That's really magical.
Exactly.